This video will cover the student progress report. On larger screens, you can see the blue icon to the right of a student name. Go ahead and tap on that. If you're on a small device, you tap on the student photo or initials, and you'll see the option for the progress report there. I will tap on the icon there. This screen has three sections. I'm going to tap on the check icon, which is the attendance. You'll see here that you'll get a graph of the attendance over time. Since Jeremy is present all the time, the graphs are all at the top. And you'll see a calendar below, which you can edit. So let's say on Thursday, Jeremy was actually absent. You'll see I'll tap that, and now you'll see the column has got lower because of that one absence there. And you'll also see a cumulative number of presence and absences down below here. So it gives you a quick view of Jeremy there. I'll tap on the A+ icon. Here are all Jeremy's assignments. You can scroll through. And again, you can tap to add comments. And you can also tap to change the grade as well. So it's very easy to edit information here as well. You also see the grade distribution, how many assignments Jeremy has in each of the percent categories there. And lastly, there are student notes. This is an easy way to add notes. You can go to the quick note settings here, where you can edit positive and improvement notes. And it's very simple. Just tap add positive note, helping others, and it's done. You can also add a custom note where you'll be able to enter your own information there. And you can always go ahead and edit the date or edit the notes if needed, or delete that. If you have long semesters, you can always tap the date range here. And instead of looking at all, you can look at today, just this week, or just this month, and back to all. And lastly, you can always generate a PDF file. Tap on PDF. You can view the report of just Jeremy. You can review reports of the entire class. That'll have one PDF of all that. You can also email the report to Jeremy or any of his guardians. And lastly, if you have the bulk email, it's actually possible to email reports to all parents or students in the class. So there's a variety of options there. Lastly, don't forget there's a setting icons here. This lets you disable certain features. If you don't do attendance or grades right now, you can disable those. Also, the notes are disabled by default in case you do write private notes on the student or the parents there. But you can simply enable that if you would like them to appear on the PDF report. I'll show you quickly. Here's one PDF report. Once it's generated, you'll be able to use the share icon on the top to email it to anyone that needs it, and then just close that when it's done. So really very easy to get an idea of how a student's doing from the progress report screen.